To relax verts in Maya, you select your vertices and then you say average vertices. And this iteration is your relaxation. To relax vertices in Max, you select them and just press relax or use the option box to set the amount and iterations that you want and just keep repeating until you're satisfied. To relax things in Blender, just select them like these vertices. Press Ctrl V or go up here to control vertex and press relax. Select the amount of iterations here. This sometimes may not be turned on. Go to Preferences to Add-ons, search for Mesh, and activate Edit Mesh Tools, Loop Tools, and then the Relax feature will appear.